First of all, a quick reminder of how to do a cost product. There is a formula on the formula book, but I found it so easy to do it by a little process. It is called the cost product because it involves crossing. So I'm on the top row, so I look at the other four numbers and I just do a cross. 1 times minus 1, take away 12, that's minus 13. Then I go to the bottom one, I do exactly the same thing. 8 take away 1 is 7. Then I go to the middle one and I do exactly the same thing. So it's 2 times minus 1, that's minus 2. Take away 3, that's minus 5. And then you change the sign on the middle one. That's why I do the middle one last. And now, what is the meaning of the cross product? The cross product produces a vector that is perpendicular to the two input vectors. So these two vectors have a relationship between each other. They're not necessarily perpendicular. Could you tell me if they are? It's a very quick test. Are these two vectors perpendicular? Well, you should be thinking, is the dot product equal to 0? 2 plus 4 minus 3. No, it's not. These two are not perpendicular. But this one is perpendicular to both of these independently. Really useful. Let's show you one use for it. So the question is, what is the vector equation of this plane? And we have 3 points on it. Notice one of them is the origin, bizarrely labeled C. Anyway, let's not worry about that. I'm going to find the vector equation of the plane. Really, the only thing we need is a known point, got one. In fact, I've got 3. And I need to know what this normal vector is. So it is perpendicular to vectors that are lying on the plane, like AB and AC. So let's do that. So the vector AB and AC are easily found, B minus A and C minus A. I'm now going to cross product those. And I now know my normal vector. So I've got my normal vector. I've got a known point. I can just write down the equation now. R dot n is equal to a constant. But what is that constant? Well, I can put any one of these in. But as I've got a really nice one here, the origin, if I put 0, 0, 0 in to find out what the constant is, it is 0. Let's just double check I've got this right. I'm going to put in 1, 2, 3 into this equation here. So 1 times 11, 2 times 2 is 15. And then 3 times minus 5, negative 15. It's 0. And that will work for B as well. So that's how you find the equation of a plane given 3 points. It also tells you that if the constant is 0, that is telling us the origin is on the plane. Nice.